Prepare to have your mind blown. Welcome to our journey into the realm of the unknown and unexpected, an intriguing world teeming with facts that are as surprising as they are enlightening, a world where the ordinary becomes extraordinary and the familiar, unfamiliar. Imagine standing on the precipice of a vast ocean, its depths filled with treasures of knowledge yet to be discovered. That's precisely the adventure we're about to embark upon. We're about to delve into the heart of the enigmatic, the curious, the rare, and the downright bizarre. 20 facts so unique, so uncommon, they're likely to have slipped under your radar. These are not your everyday trivia tidbits that you stumble upon in the corner of a newspaper or the tail end of a TV show. Oh no, these are the pearls of wisdom, the nuggets of knowledge, the gems of insight that have been carefully selected and curated just for you. From the realms of science to history, from culture to nature, we've left no stone unturned in our quest to bring you the most intriguing facts from around the globe. Facts that will make you question, make you wonder, make you exclaim in disbelief, and perhaps even make you chuckle. Some of these facts might seem too strange to be true. Some might leave you scratching your head. Some might make you want to share them with everyone you know. But rest assured, each and every one of them is guaranteed to pique your curiosity and tickle your fancy. Are you ready to traverse the winding roads of the unknown? Are you prepared to uncover the secrets that have been hiding in plain sight? Are you excited to learn something new, something different, something utterly fascinating? Well, brace yourselves, because we're about to dive headfirst into this sea of knowledge. So buckle up, hold on to your hats, and let your curiosity be your guide. Are you ready to dive deep into the sea of knowledge? Let's get started. Scene script. Fact number 1, brace yourselves for this. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? Yes, you heard that right. Not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. One pumps blood around the body, while the other 2 pump it to the gills. Now isn't that something? Moving on to fact number 2. Ever wondered who the world's most prolific authors are? You might be thinking of Agatha Christie or Stephen King, but no, it's actually a group of people. The collective writers of Wikipedia. They've written over 50 million articles in more than 300 languages. That's a whole lot of writing. Now on to fact number 3. Can you guess how many taste buds a cat has? You might think it's a lot given their discerning palates, but the truth is, cats have fewer taste buds than humans. In fact, they have less than 500 compared to our whopping 9,000. Maybe that's why they can't resist that can of tuna. For fact number 4, let's travel to space. Did you know that space is completely silent? That's right, there's no medium in space for sound to travel through, so astronauts use radios to stay in communication. So the next time you're watching a sci-fi movie with booming explosions in space, remember, in reality, it's as quiet as a mouse. And finally, fact number 5, let's talk about dreams. Have you ever had a dream where you're falling? Well, you're not alone. Falling is one of the most common dream themes and is often linked to feelings of insecurity or loss of control. So if you're dreaming of falling, it might be worth taking a look at what's going on in your waking life. Just when you thought you knew it all, we've got more. Stay tuned. And we're back, ready to drop fact number 6 on you. Did you know that the world's largest desert is not the Sahara, but Antarctica? Surprising, isn't it? Antarctica is a desert because it receives very little precipitation. It's just that the precipitation it does get tends to stick around as ice. Moving on to fact number 7. You might not believe this, but your heart is one tough muscle. In an average lifetime, it beats more than 2.5 billion times. That's right, billion with a B. It's like a little perpetual motion machine tucked away in your chest. Let's switch gears for fact number 8. Ever wonder why we say bless you when someone sneezes? It's a tradition that dates back to an ancient belief that a sneeze could accidentally expel the soul from the body. To prevent the devil from stealing the soul, people would bless the one who sneezed. So the next time you sneeze, remember you're part of a tradition that's thousands of years old. Fact number 9 is a fun one. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Talk about a food that stands the test of time. And rounding out our third set of facts with number 10, octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. But when an octopus swims, the heart that delivers blood to the body stops beating, which is why these creatures prefer to crawl. We're halfway through and it's only getting better. Keep watching. Moving right along to fact number 11, prepare to be astonished. Did you know that an octopus has 3 hearts? Yes, you heard that right. Not 1, not 2, but 3. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Now that's a love triangle of a different kind. Let's dive into fact 12. It's all about the human body. Did you know that the strongest muscle in your body is in your mouth? That's right, it's the masseter, or jaw muscle. This small but mighty muscle can close your teeth with a force as great as 200 pounds on the molars. Talk about biting off more than you can chew. Fact 13 is about our little friends, the ants. These tiny creatures might not seem like much, but they are incredibly strong. An ant can carry 50 times its own body weight. That's equivalent to a human lifting 2 automobiles. So next time you see an ant, remember it's not just a bug, it's a superhero in disguise. Now let's take a trip to the stars for fact 14. Did you know that a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus? It takes 243 Earth days for Venus to rotate once on its axis, but only 225 Earth days for it to orbit the Sun. So, if you lived on Venus, you'd celebrate your birthday every day. Finally, fact 15 brings us back to Earth, specifically to the Sahara Desert. Did you know that despite its arid conditions, the Sahara is expanding green areas? Thanks to desert farming techniques and renewable energy technologies, parts of the Sahara are slowly turning green. Who knew the desert could be so environmentally friendly? We're nearing the end, but the best is yet to come. Don't go anywhere. We're down to our final 5 facts. Let's kick it off with fact number 16. Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Talk about a sweet surprise. Moving on to fact number 17. You'd think the most densely populated place on Earth would be a bustling city, right? But it's actually a block in New York City, known as the Census Tract 31.00, with a whopping density of over 200,000 people per square kilometer. That's a whole lot of neighbors. Now fact number 18. Have you ever wondered why pirates wore eye patches? It wasn't just for the looks, it was to keep one eye adapted to night vision for seeing below deck. Quite ingenious, don't you think? Fact number 19. The shortest war in history lasted between the British Empire and the Sultanate of Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. Zanzibar surrendered after 38 minutes. Talk about a quick resolution. And finally, fact number 20, the most surprising one. The human body literally glows. Yes, you heard it right. The human body emits a small quantity of visible light, too faint for our eyes to perceive. Now that's a real glow-up. So there you have it. A journey through some of the most fascinating corners of our world, from ancient Egyptian tombs to the bustling streets of New York City, from the strategic minds of pirates to the quick surrender of Zanzibar, and ending on a luminescent note with our very own bodies. We've explored the intriguing, the bizarre, the surprising, and the absolutely mind-blowing. And there you have it, 20 rare facts that you didn't know. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content.